Fire burn you all in a professional way. After you call live streaming, they should go straight up. More fire. Fire for fire. A truthful fire Thursday. And Jesus said, the truth shall set you free. No kura. See, you didn't crank your blasters in problems winning armor. The truth shall set you free. You have correct players, good coaching. Any man see the blasters are business, sika die basa. You minister blasters ebetimi ade agi afcon. You minister blasters betimi ade abopol papa a performing fantastic. You minister blasters bejina you gini. Sikadie ewo blasters. The truth shall set you free. And Jesus said, Nukure bakupe. Say ye blasters ni ye free correct players. Correct coaching. Ye mre coacher. Waya cake. Ye kofa coacher. Ni tates asan esi. Young kofa average players, agency players. Young free blasters players are agency. And ye Ghana interest, but a president be chairman be manager be official be interest. Fun kankai, fire bender. And can we avoid all these things? Controversy Sa controversy ekosui na South Africa force ye wia wo mu penalty enye penalty and Ghana afi de mo say respect on say mo demand respect from South Africa yeah if no some are responding mo response no some mo demand respect from South Africa me boy you see how it is when Ghanaians are also demanding the same respect from you people. Mofa blasters and you do it anyhow you like. Tesemufie a japade. You call players of your interest. More free players of more interest and your players are and your mind interest. More the blasters and the blasters coach are done agency. And a more free players are almost some fata so mobile national team. Nanka South Africa match your match. Who free players, papa? We would avoid all this controversy. South Africa match your match. Ethiopia could have blasters into Misha. Ethiopia, you are struggling to beat Zimbabwe. You are struggling to beat Ethiopia. You are struggling. And your Panatia, you can beat South Africa. Blasters, you would be 4 times African champions. The last time, 82 near J AFCON. African champions. You're producing fantastic players. Nanu ya kura Samoajan. Nanu ya Samoajan blasters. Steven Appiah. Michael Essien. Sule Muntari. Samuel Nkumo. Namin kwa tetefuana na revenue seko vimo. De no mu brutal. Mohamed Polo mo no mu brutal. Golden Boy Razak. Busa say then watch Golden Boy. Abdul Razak. Busa Georgia Lassan. Ya produce Abedi Ayu Pele. 3 times African best. Ha! Tony Yeboah, Sammy Tuga. Samuel Oseko Fuomo. Jesus Christ. Malam Yaya Mutanko Bullet. Blasters, who blasters da? Who blasters, Papa be pada. But so free blasters players of Nipanki to be interest. And your money interest. More from players are more managing more person more reasi. Mu use the name of Black Stars Fefe players basa bia because of some beton agency agent. Ebenana Black Stars Mabo against South Africa no struggle na or on for penalty and what person the day what is South Africa abia you bet me have correct players bet me South Africa easy kura you could have bad football people bad football people so-called football people whoever they can fit let him wait you could have bad FBA we have to be careful and they have to also be careful also omushaye controversy fun kan we pressure fun tension kan we amodiaba besi Ghana so na amodiaba beto Ghana so because South Africa see via no it won't no wase now you are calling for respect give us the same respect when you are calling Black Stars players give us the same respect when you say you're free Black Stars players and I say Munkofa Black Stars coach mla mona mo say ye coach a coach wonya de more respect coach no yes siki akono no more respect no ena o tan na di na ni ana o mo pe kwan bi so no mo ye de e pam no e fire siki akono filo no o mo kofa coach o mo no pe coach of their interest coach who $30,000 US but the 4 matches are what nyina no and since I be no wa the aba Black Stars on fa change bia mra Emma Black Stars ote one goal project ne tete star na we nim na we need different tactics bia account football akonenim football akonenim pa enye easy say enne uko ose wo mpe siki akono na akofa coach foforo aba ama Black Stars uko fa coach dada we Milovan Raivaja ekuro bia so pamano ekuro bia uko ye bia omo pamano omo sake mama a good coach mama a good coach mama a good players oh Black Stars and a whole controversy very bad manujo more fire yonko Black Stars no me gusu wa na me pese me fire now Black Stars players omo ball ye si afre correct players no omo ball ye ene ko mo she South Africa ye kasa controversy we nyina no katubeka kemba see a via omo with penalty Black Stars performance bad and yet Black Stars performance bad and yet under Kurt Okreku FA president we under FA president we Black Stars performance and yet intimim pejai and yet papa under coach Milo musu onu ne betimi asesa no mano Black Stars performance enye anything akoye penalty akofa controversy aba in South Africa for now you are demanding for respect GFA a bad record a bano say match is it match fixing indemnity bribe because ya normalization da meboa ene na me gina so aka masem normalization then normalization FIFA bande ya bande that time ya FA president ebesi na ya bande ya FA president am ya normalization eti Ghana was our record ni say ya bande ya best referee match fixing bribe sa match bribe sa ya bandi your best referee no immigration ni me boa ni dini di say let's go to another day no David no ya bani Ghana best ref eti ya wo record ye no ya wo record ya dia ko normalization eti obia ofa ne trouble bia no de ababe wie yeso anase bi o de ababe hye South Africa wo hu se sa record we bi ato ye say ya bani e football ti penalty won ti ase yes me penalty me hu ni penalty da means sama no so da Joseph Lamte sa referee immigration officer Joseph Lamte ote yetua huge amount of dollars any edema Blasters players Blasters technical team Blasters so management team so called football people wo di Blasters achino ye mu sika per diem omuntimi embo ball papa bia enkyere ye ball papa bia agise awam penalty na nkofa ntokwa menteme ho ase controversial eno ena sa ketekuraku efewe omudi aba bad administration no ote bad administration say wo World Cup qualifier na ye ka say yanche udi ye nka say why guilty but ye to so with sa penalty we are mimi hu ni say nye penalty one more controversy say administration with GFA ketukroku we mu ma administration ye World Cup qualifier mama Ghana ye face controversy a big disgrace to Nana Akufo-Addo president no MPP aban wo mu gumani mase efeni gumani mase MPP aban me na me ka kire mo efeni gumani mase basa MPP aban Nana Akufo-Addo se munima wo sports minister why you who lose and na what wo why you who lose na wo say MPP who go Akufo-Addo aban because how see yebo World Cup qualifier na say Ghana yakowia controversy more fire I'll be back uja
say boom 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 no we about to say way oh say boom 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 no let me hear say way oh say boom 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 no
more fire uja na chwa by do baba baby girl me be commentary position ni bi me fire nwie hwe what it dey unim say me wi commentary position there be me nwie baby if you know so called football people or professionals say me maja shishi wo ku MPP ni Ghana ni mase me na me ka kiro baby your temperature ni ready mama en ma aye odi nyabte your temperature ni ready your Adum TV live right and your Adum TV Facebook live me boa and ye Asempa 94.7 FM live radio so YouTube so your live Adum TV YouTube live okay and the science life war takradi asida 105.9 me boa more fire ewa asida FM GL radio so ewa China more fire eti commentary position ni mwie mema okonya na so afaya bi e kasa munti ye the national team to chacha betting ye the national team to chacha betting ni ewo mu bia nyame be ma na dadi ni ewo mu bia nyame obema na dadi oti nipa nsua nyansa na nipa mpese obi sua de ewi ase ni nyame nyame ni bo wi ase se wonima na nipa nya post pe na se ni refi because okukum na ntwie ene mponche e de ama esa criminal malam for any gods no because of this we here protection to be powerful extra you can't be powerful more than God unyame ne boy yes ne dia dipenya post pena say why I say why bloody unsi ni pansi hadi ka kira mu se the national team ne otutu to chacha national team ne de to chacha me ka kira mu mo careful more fire professional fire whoever the car fit let him wait
sisiwomu
who the car fit let them wait and one no whoever the car fit let them wait mene Ghana for ni MPP aban na kasa MPP aban na teso mene MPP aban ni Ghana for na kasa commentary position national team ni me tua tax ni bi wo so tua tax ni bi to make me come feelings make me fire me feelings and guasie yeah yenka se Ghana ewia obi yenka se Ghana aye match fixing yenka se asema South Africa ye kanu eye no kure but me Ghana ni me wo madwen kire ne say ye national team no mo free bad players nti kasa controversy fun we nkema sa controversy fun we Kenya dey Emma. Within 3 hours, na betting kosoro. Within 3 hours, betting kwadi obetima catch them say, oh Ghana ebeshe, and Ghana beshe 1-0. Ebetimi abem, but Ghana beshe 1-0 penalty. Na basu. Hey,
sisi womu.
Within 3 hours, utum say, adibi kosoro. Penalty. Ghana beshe 1-0. Nka Ghana beshe 1-0. Uti asiye? Yes. But where the Ghana beshe penalty. Okay. Whoever the cafe to let him wait. Samo kan kura national team ni be ye. Aman for ball papa bi. Without corruption, without bad selection. Also omujai no mabi omudi national team ne
sisi womu
na national team no eyeye o se blasters yeye minia o se blasters yeye o na nia blasters yeye no enye omu ball enye si ni players ne ye me ya no masa enye se Ghana ye ni players unim se Ghana ye wo players pa ye wo talent but ye popo also get me South Africa easy. No more kose ye ko wiya omo because of penalty. Na dia nem guase abre MPP aban Kufuado. President Kufuado sports minister. Ye find Ghana guilty but ye nem guase so bi kura be dikan anasa ka kire say o wiya na na say why the match fixing why you bribe. Okay. When evidence da ho say penalty bisi penalty no bia wona gentire sene me misi hu ni da match day no min ko hwe bie mu da me hu ni sa match day na mo pa mo kofa videos bi ni pictures bi no ma ye ni pansa bi na eka Jesse my brother my sister and yes obi tan obi mpa obi asem listen to me. Nobody envy anybody. There is no witch hunting anywhere. Okay. The problem is, if Kwame Nkrumah Blasters can beat Ethiopia, then what is our business? I mean, funding Blasters. Say your business, and say the taxpayers' money better Blasters. What is our business in your World Cup? Bad selection na kuyantin yentimi nya players in France Ethiopia in France South Africa. Ni ekoje penalty na South Africa kase ye via wo mo. Momi enhwe Blasters ni ye MPP aban. Enim guase ni ba se man hwe na mo ni sa so called football people for man kasa. Na man twro mo petition ye. O matro demand for respect and whatever. No man come as a year. Already ya cheer me normalization me bois catch me. Ghana ya cheer a football scandal kakraka football bribe. Say corruption ya cheer football corruption. And ya bandi at the normalization. Me bua catch me ya bandi ye refugees baby corruption and your record in this so tambe MPP aban Akufo-Addo aban and a football corruption a che Ghana if you are seeing na hu na see ye free wa say ye free normalization ni ye year free wa ni asa kofa World Cup South Africa penalty e ho controversy yenchi yenka say Ghana ye difo but ni ekoso no can ye say sa no ma wanyina enke betimi avoid it by way say ye betimi afre correct players correct coaching Okofa coach anya obi interest but the nation's interest into the coach papa neba mo bua coach no aye na djuma ma bua ne yie pa ma coach no so etimi scout at the correct players at the Aba Blasters because Blasters you would produce players pa I just say you record Blasters there you players pa na gina park so a ye din bo usuno enti ebetimi ahyew izikura enkofa controversy biama but ukutankophobia whoever the cafe let him wait any bire na wani bire beblebe no edu be kobun mu edu be ko tese edu be ko nim guasem se wani bire ade bibire ba any bire fo bi any bire fo and tese and tese nipa bi paso mo tese Blasters no ayo mo dia ni mo pabia no mo pese mo ye me my instructions basa wo Blasters me my code of conduct basa wo Blasters hey sure ana nipa kura nipa chete what ye die nipa ye die Blasters makachira mo yeah bad selection no na is match fixing any betting no mummy hwe ne ye betting na mummy hwe ne ye se Ghana be se one ne be penalty hwe already mabibia o se CBNC manukure na di na kofo bubu ye se Jimmy ache taxpayers money hwe na ye ko ready budget wo gina to boot wo se on ko hinfa to boot so ye ko gina wo koto ade se nya Ghana en ye mo ye bla yi na kwase se mo kwa ko kan wo mo se o fire no obedi atem mi tutu kwa ko amama bi wo makko wo mani ma develop ya to boot obi anyina ho no waji uskampo na wo susu untimi endua untimi nkosusu but this country a really budget the we no only one man for say ashia word sa budget yi tax omojiji nyina omo de command Blasters $25 million and Akufo Addo say wo de ma Blasters and wo de ma Blasters $25 million and Akufo Addo de ma Blasters na $25 million no okofa free enye taxpayers money enye taxpayers money enye taxpayers money okay me mo bia 3 seconds to fire OPK hands free Adaroma Elohim Elohim Treatment Center, Dr. Abednego, Elohim Treatment Center, concentration. Phobia member, who 3 seconds, ETO, OPK, hands free Alarma.
Katrima Songo, because of the Gabon Academy. And Ghana Mat near South Africa, Hoyano. A crepity, a cray. E buzobi ruwe ofo ana president Akufo-Addo na ba se ko yi pa rocket to ko boro mo ji
more fire mpacho wana wa o man so I meteo more fire
can't ma so go pa I pa na you ja me no ka
OPK hands free
ma da ta so ja yi pa me ka ne to bo je na to wa so bu se yes wo tie nya da wa na o ta se na we your program so go na fine what up we papa uno we diga ko first other so come on no president yeah what the ban here for me I president no be about
me lawyer more fire me need time for control what me need time for control World Cup we ni wono me kwa abrochire wo na wo mo ba wo kwa abrochire why
last up from here and the Fiamma and the Abakutum. Who check the players now? The South African boy, almost say they cry. Because South African boy, Echo Ethiopia, Echo Kosel, and Ethiopia or neutral ground. And you teach on there three and a half. You think South African boy on near the board rower. Again, I am a Ethiopia for years.
Because bad selection, you will play as a better me. Ajana 1, OPK, hands free Adaroma, Elohim Treatment Center. Ajana 1 will be our 3 seconds. More fire.
And the disaster service, domestic, open the watching seconds, for capital, and yesterday. And the ambassador, that no means that we are coming across. I have catch South Africa for service. Here, Kaba.
Oja Apirugu, more fire. OPK hands free.
Eluja, lenga shose bo no shade. Let countryman no shade bo Libya. Then MPP abaye. Then DF foye. It must bring them into this for politics.
Oja, more fire. Elohim Treatment Center, Dr. Abednego, nonsense, and your politicians now, areas who grew him. 1 hour, woman, so Abu Muhammad, more fire. Blasters, I say, I basa, and your papa, controversial fun, and a controversy fun, we are blasters, and your day. Abu Yetio will be out 3 seconds. More fire.
Exactly. You see, we are Ghanaians, all right, we are supposed to be patriotic. But this penalty, so without the penalty, Akaye will need you. If you have scored more than 1 goal, this will not be issue. We are simple. The penalty is very steep. We are not saying we should fault the referee for whatever. But you don't have to hit your chest by winning a match at a team like Blatter with this type of penalty and you are happy. And you think this will make you excel. You don't want to take the fact.
Oja, more fire. Kobe, more fire. OPK hands free. More fire. OPK hands free. More fire. Oja Adams. Voter, more fire, Adams, Kawagini, speak your mind. More fire, speak your mind. And the truth shall set you free. Ah, you will place Papa Pamon Freumu. I'm a controversy. More fire, more fire. Oja Asante, throw fire, no. More fire. Controversy way down to the because taxpayers' money, I'm a debate to $5 million. It's the Chrome crime from Francis Jordan. More fire. What's the more fire? What's the yeah, power to be competition. More fire. I know to my power where Country must go me this hour. A Musami, Chawagini, a Musami, commenting position. After everything was also Musami. But it's there than I was a and I was a but it's in all and a penalty. I know the South Africa for yes, this one. What does yes? Why you got players down winning Bob, but they are still not win on Bob. I don't win a penalty. I don't win a penalty. If you not there, the players in phone now want to be a penalty. Oja yemfa players papanka yensu say ye penalty wolanyo family commentary position more fire wolanyo o wa man so ana na won kan kire me more fire oja
boom no we about to say we oh say boom boom
more fire oja na shi wa ba do beba Kofi Amu Aban Kofi Amu Aban Ubetben Amu Kofi Aban Doctor aka CEO of Rich World Group board member Asante Kotoko more fire Kofi Aban, CEO, Ridgeboard Group, board member, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. More fire. PK hands free. Papa, open the door to 0242 497133. 0242 497133. PK hands free. More fire. PK hands free. South Africa for no much no masamino. Yes, more respond you young. That's and I respect. Muni respond and show respect. Respect say as some no more I can't know. Yes, more respond. Alaji Ujana Shawa.
Go baba.
Na me am
responding.
Well, respond show respect.
Don't Ghana nyadie. Said the okane tulu. Said the esenka omu bobo no nkenya ni baby a babeju.
More fire.
But respond is for yen nyina engine tum say South Africa for eso mujitum say o masa. Because Cup of Nation cry no more ebo group Sudan qualify ja omo deserve World Cup they to keep quiet
Alaji
but they want say a team yes
the ball
and just say Ghana bobo
meaning against South Africa was standing here
yes
wasanon ye good cry or see a Gina Park a chinkofo mu she omu no mu ye di
me to say
South Africa be World Cup or so be Nations Cup it is not my problem.
Yes,
my problem is our blasters. They are not doing things right.
Now can say more being hwese bia so ngo gina on pese Ghana be qualify who me say more being hwese who gina on pese hwetie
me nya ready to say me nya ready to say me de me nsam yenu be didida me nya ready
e say nyina kala pre so your performance na de Songo a performance in the obi agitum efe president and a minister obi agitum tenye
we mo jitum
obi it's obi agitum te enye performance and say the Ghana e
mo but
Songo challenge the Manchester South Africa so obi agitum that is my point go ni enye be ya South Africa obi ni obi ko be bia enye
wo mo
entino
metiwase
enye o kan say obi timi share 3 4 nkanya problem
FIFA can tell we say respond wakase and show respect or respond catch them go for so respond
here for the me person me come for the first time to the FA no omu ni hwe am respond una wa allege prove
and respond to watch out and you know catch them and South Africa for the catch yes but FIFA and you do if you don't do it you have a problem
for me any part say
understand
you don't have anything to respond simple me to me catch them or catch them
okay
they don't have anything to respond for match South Africa finish
fire
they should bring their evidence say and you go asa
yes
and the omo can say bet omo ntimi anya evidence anko je no kwa omo ye free ni na le say free na sisi omo gidi say katasi se bi da omo when omo gidi say mo fa katasi evidence na mra fi the evidence no more
fire
tell them you don't have any evidence you don't have anything to respond simple
fire Elohim Treatment Center Dr. Abednego Odu Kedea yare bi atito bi a stroke diabetes o simple kwano sunsumu yare alaji se bi continent mi nya adwuma Dr.
Madam Abednego so I'm
more fire Dr. Abednego baby girl more fire baby you love the firework now the dead
now when I cause I'm
Alaji let me say baby girl
bobo
the now what yeah fire
say boom 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 no we about to say way